Hello, moneymakers! Get ready to turn your debts into a powerful wealth-generating tool. Have you ever imagined that debts, often seen as villains, could be the key to achieving financial freedom? Today, we're going to reveal how a billionaire uses simple yet powerful strategies not only to handle debts, but to transform them into a source of income. By the end, you'll discover the most important technique that can change your financial life forever. 1. Understanding the debt game. When we talk about debts, most people immediately think of financial problems. However, what few know is that there's a crucial distinction between good and bad debts. Good debts are those you take on with the intention of generating a higher financial return than the cost of the debt itself. For example, a loan to invest in a profitable business or in real estate that appreciates in value. On the other hand, bad debts are those you take on to buy goods that do not yield a return, such as branded clothes or a new car. Knowing this difference is the first step in using debts to your advantage. 2. The power of simple and compound interest. Have you ever thought about how interest can work in your favor? The billionaire emphasizes that understanding the difference between simple and compound interest is essential. Simple interest is calculated only on the principal amount of the loan, while compound interest is calculated on the principal plus accumulated interest. The true secret of millionaires is using compound interest to their advantage by investing in assets that generate compounded returns over time. This is the magic that makes money grow exponentially. 3. Strategic refinancing. Let's talk about refinancing. Many people are unfamiliar with this practice or are afraid to use it. However, refinancing your debts can be an excellent strategy to reduce costs and free up capital for investments. The billionaire suggests always looking for better payment terms and lower interest rates. Refinancing a personal loan at a lower interest rate or transferring credit card balances to cards with better terms can result in significant savings and create investment opportunities that once seemed impossible. 4. Investing with debt. Yes, you can invest using debt. This is a common practice among billionaires. The key is to choose investments that yield a higher return than the costs of the debt. For example, taking out a loan at 5% interest per year to invest in an opportunity that yields 10% per year. This 5% differential is what generates profit. Of course, careful analysis of risks and potential returns is necessary, but with planning and knowledge, it's possible to turn debts into levers for wealth. 5. The billionaire's secret technique. Now we come to the most crucial point. The billionaire's secret technique involves strategically using debts to create a continuous and sustainable cash flow. Instead of fearing debts, they use them as a tool to finance investments that generate passive income. For instance, financing the purchase of rental properties where the rent covers the loan payments and leaves a profit. This approach allows the billionaire to increase their wealth without compromising their cash flow, creating a spiral of financial growth. Now that you know these powerful strategies, you're ready to change your mindset about debts and begin building a solid financial future. Don't forget to leave in the comments the topics you'd like to see in our upcoming videos. Let's journey together towards wealth.